My makeup is a half done. I'm not yet done with the lip gloss and the eye look, as the tutorial says, the title of the tutorial says. So we're going to do it together, right? This is the remaining part for the makeup, like finishing the eyeshadow and lashes and whatnot. So we are going to do that on this video. I keep repeating the source, you guys bear with me. Yes, your girl is about to show you something very nice, so stay with me up to the end and see how I do the eye makeup today. I'm going to use this concealer. It's a liquid concealer. I'm going to place it on my eyelids there, and it's here. To use this Real Technique brush, like, to press in the concealer, and then I'll use a setting powder just to set up the concealer. I hope I'm audible enough today, so I'm just going to dab, 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 dab. Okay, use the mercier to set the concealer on my eyelids. I have my old eyeshadow palette with me. I have been having this for a very long time, but it serves me best. I'm going to take this brown over. I'm going to have this is like a dark shade of one of the powders that I use from Fit Me. Give it a very nice look. I'm going to take this shade over here and I'm going to place it right there. So as you can see, guys, have you seen this? I'm just giving the eye look some definition. Of the next, with me I have like a glitter dust. As you can see, it is in silver. I'm going to place it on my eyelids. Can you see that? Then I'm going to add it on my eyelid. I'm going to use this black eyeliner pencil as my wing liner. This one is so after I have like outlined how I want my eyeliner to look like for this simple eye makeup, I'm going in with this black over here, and I'm going to go on top of the outline that I have just added. this shade over here. This is literally not brown, so I'm going to mix the two, this one and this. Oops. And I'm going to place it just below my waterline.